All right, I'm gonna show you guys something embarrassing, but it's true life. This is my truck bag. This is my bag that I keep in the back seat of my truck that has all my ratchet straps, tie downs, all that stuff in it. And this is what it looks like. Just a tangled mess of straps. But you know what? Our very own Becky Kralachek, she has a good tip on how I might be able to organize this a little bit better. She found that by taking a ratchet strap and nicely coiling it, which obviously I don't do, it fits perfect into an empty can koozie. So if you have that jar of koozies at home, much like I do, that you seem to get a new pair from every wedding you attend, your ratchet straps fit nice, and then it'll go right in the bag without tangling up.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tip, subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Every week we're adding new tips and great woodworking videos. So hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.